Okay, now we're going to take a look at launchers within our secret templates. And how this works is a launcher basically has a configuration that interfaces with how it's going to programmatically work with the target. So in this case, we might have a SQL launcher. For example, let's take a look at that. And we have other launchers as well that can do various things, such as a incognito launcher for Chrome, and all the way ranging down to some other custom. But we can create many of these, and we'll take a look at all these options. So first off, what we're going to do here is take a look at a SQL Server launcher, and we can see what we can programmatically place in the background here is all of our different aspects that relate to how this is going to work with SQL in this case. So we have everything from our process arguments all the way down to how it interfaces in with the program itself. So we can see that we can use this and then tag this into a secret template, and then it basically enables us to then launch a credential into SQL to be able to then manage that particular database or databases. So we have that in place. So next thing what we can do, and it's very easy to do, is we come over here and we click a create button, and then we can pick our own kind of launcher. So we have different ways of interfacing here as well. So we have launcher types, so as process, batch files, all the way down to session connector launchers, all these of which are highly configurable, enable us to give target capability into the applications that we're needing to manage. And so that entails what a launcher is, what a launcher looks like on the inside, and how we work with it within Secret Server. Okay, so thank you for watching.